Welcome back to another episode of your Digit Hustle News. Ladies and gentlemen, in this video, we're going to take a bit of a journey. Okay? NYDIG Head says that there are major firms that will be announcing Bitcoin milestones. We are also going to be talking about how Stellar Lumens has just invested $750,000 into a Nigerian-based company. But I'm going to start with this article first because the partners, NYDIG, for those who don't know, is an investment firm, okay, that has top tier clients, quote unquote, top tier clients, basically the super rich. All right. Now, we already know about one of these partners. It's Morgan Stanley. Okay. But there is going to be a few more companies that are going to be announcing their Bitcoin positions. I'm starting to assume all throughout April. So expect a lot of bullish momentum, especially when I tell you these companies. Now, the article states, we are on the brink of Bitcoin's mass adoption, according to NYDIG CEO Robbie Gutman. He is also the co-founder of $10 billion asset manager Stone Ridge. And on the On the Brink podcast, March 15th, he said that we can expect to see announcements from some of the firm's strategic partners that will drastically change the financial landscape. I know more or less next week you're going to see an absolute drumbeat of pretty game-changing milestones from some of these firms. Now, who are these firms and why is it so important? A couple of these firms, guys, are big insurance companies. Okay? And for a while they're really trying to use blockchain to solidify the insurance industry, make it non-negotiable, immutable, if you will. But on March 8th, NYDIG completed a $200 million growth capital round led by multiple major finance firms, including Morgan Stanley, New York Life, Mass Mutual, Soros Fund Management, and FS Investments. Now, Soros Fund Management, if the name Soros rings a bell, it is correct. You are correct in your assumption. That is George Soros. Okay? Big player in the financial world. Now, Gutman didn't say which partners would be making announcements, but hinted at the news could involve providing greater access to Bitcoin for the wider public, as well as other products and services. Interestingly, one of the products NYDIG offers to partner firms is called Corporate Treasury, entailing a suite of treasury solutions purpose-built to enable corporations to hold Bitcoin. Last month, NYDIG submitted paperwork to United States Securities and Exchange Commission to launch a new BTC exchange ETF, basically. Currently, the firm controls more than $3 billion in assets. Now, let's take a look at this list again, guys. New York Life, Mass Mutual, and then there's Mr. Soros. Going to give you this little background so you know how powerful just one of these firms are. And then we're going to get to the Stellar Lumens article. But I just want to bring you down to, September 2016. Soros Funds Management advised a private investment fund tied to Quantum Strategic Partners, which injected a bulk of $305 million into Solar City, producer of solar panels. The flow of cash allowed Elon Musk, chairman of Tesla and Solar City, to purchase Solar City and merge it with Tesla. Who have we been hearing all about the last couple of weeks? Yeah. So, players are coming into position. Now, on to Stellar Lumens and their continuing work in Africa. March 15th, the Stellar Development Foundation announced a $750,000 USD enterprise fund investment into Cowrie Integrated Systems, a fintech startup headquartered in London, UK, and office in Lagos, Nigeria. This investment provides Cowrie with resources to continue to expand their operations in emerging markets and further develop payment corridors between, into, and out of Africa, with an initial focus on Nigeria giving its status as the largest economy in sub-Saharan Africa. Cowries is a cross-border payment solution services provider that allows users, most of whose currencies are not internationally traded, to participate in a global financial market. Despite being part of the largest economy in Africa, fewer than half of individuals in Nigeria have bank accounts, which largely excludes them from the global economy. Focused on cross-border payments in emerging markets, Cowrie provides inexpensive and efficient payments and remittance services to the ever-growing Nigerian population. Continues to say that Nigeria is the world's 5th biggest destination for international remittance, with the 7th largest population globally. But the traditional money transfer process remains costly, inefficient, and impossible. The Stellar Development Foundation has been a vital partner in our mission to bring efficient cross-border payments to West Africa. That was a quote from the co-founder of Cowrie. Now, the statistics that we got in that quote there, guys, the world's 5th biggest destination and the 7th largest population globally. That's where Stellar Lumens is working. That's where a lot of these cryptos are working. And those that are working there, you notice that they are higher up on the list. Okay. Cardano, Stellar, XRP. Okay. A lot of Tether is going through Africa. Binance Coin is going through Africa. Ethereum is going through Africa. But Stellar is specifically focused on the payment and remittance, which, if you don't know, if you're not familiar with the word remittance, next time you get a utility bill, look at it a little closely. I found the word remittance on mine. Small little detail, but it blew me away. Completely blew me. Because it all started to come together. But that's all I got for this video, guys. Stellar Lumens just invested $750,000 into Cowrie integration systems to improve payments. And we have a major list of financial giants coming into the fold next week that I believe is going to make April very, very bullish. But that being said, guys, if you got a kick out of this news, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Feel free to get down at me in the comments. You know I love chopping it up with you guys. Also, I am on Twitter, DigiHustle2021, and Library as well. Decentralized alternative to YouTube, no ads, and you can earn you some free crypto. On the subject of free crypto, check out PipeFlare. You can get you some free Zcash and free Dogecoin, and you can support independent game developers in the process. So, with all that said and done, guys, thanks you for coming back to the channel. I hope that you have a great day, prosperous day. Most importantly, make that money. I'll see you in the next video.